Hi guys, today we'll see how to perform OSPF protocol on Cisco Packet Tracer. This uses link state routing as an algorithm. First we have to set up a connection here. We'll use 1841 routers to set up a connection. We need 7 routers. So we'll place 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, 6 and 7th router. Now for end-to-end connections we need a PC and a server. So we'll take a generic PC and we'll take a generic server here. Now we have to attach ports to this. So just click on that WIC2T, switch it off, drag this one and keep it, and then switch it on. So we have to do this for all routers. Okay, we are done with all the routers here. Now we have to establish a connection between them. So we'll take serial DT for establishing between router and router. So this is 0 to 0. Take another one, 1 to 1, and here 0 to 0, 1 to 1, and then again 0 to 0, and then 1 to 1. And for this line we will use fast Ethernet cable. This one is the fast Ethernet cable. Connect this and this, this and this, and this one. So we are done with the connections. Now we'll give IP address for PC and server. So open desktop, IP configuration. So we'll take 10.0.0.2 subnet mask, then close. And for server also we have to give. So desktop IP configuration 20.0.0.2 subnet mask. And to establish an active connection between routers and servers, we need to write code. Okay, we have set of codes here. I'll send this in the description so that you can make use of it. So we'll code each router using that. So first go to CLI, and then first click here no, and then enter. And here this one, first we have to enable it, enter, and then configure terminal, and then interface fast Ethernet, and then IP address, and then no shutdown, and then exit. So we are done with the first part. Now again interface fast Ethernet, go to the CLI part, click no first, and then we have to enable the router first. And then configure terminal, interface serial, IP address, now no shutdown, then exit. Now this part, interface serial again, now IP address, no shutdown, and then exit. We are done with 4th router also, and now we have to do for 5th router. Go to CLI, first click no, and then we have to enable the router first, and then configure terminal, interface fast Ethernet, IP address, no shutdown, and then exit. And then for this part, interface fast Ethernet, and then IP address, and then no shutdown, exit. Router 5 configured. Now I will go to router 6, go to the CLI part, first click no, and we have to enable the router first, and then configure terminal, interface serial, IP address, no shutdown, and then exit. Now the second part, interface serial, and then IP address, no shutdown, and then exit. Now for this part, interface fast Ethernet, IP address, no shutdown, then exit. And for the last time, interface fast Ethernet, IP address, no shutdown, exit. We are done with all routers now. We see connection, all are green. That means all are in active condition now. Now since this is OSPF protocol, we have to give each router the OSPF protocol. So this is OSPF protocol. We'll start with router 1. Enable it first. Configure terminal. Then router OSPF 10. Then network. And then exit. So we are done with first router. Now we'll move on to the second one. Configure terminal. Router OSPF 10. Network. And then exit. We're done with the second one. Now we'll move on to the third one. Configure terminal. Router OSPF 20. Network. And then exit. We are done with this router also. Now we'll move on to the third router. Enable. Configure terminal. Router OSPF 30. Then exit. We are done with this router also. I will move on to the fourth router. Router OSPF 40. Network. Network. Exit. We are done with fourth router also. I will move on to the fifth router. Already in config mode. Router OSPF 50. Network. Then network again. Exit. Now for the last router. Already in config mode. Sixth router. then network, then network, and then network, and then exit. Okay, we are done with all routers. So for each router separately you have to write this. So this is for router 0, this is only for router 0, this is only for router 1, this is only for router 2. So we have 7 set of OSPF codes here, which has to be separately written after the above coding. So I'll send this all detail so that you can make use of that. So we are done with all here. We'll go for simulation. Since this OSPF, we'll select only OSPF. I will try playing this. Okay, we see packets are getting transferred. We are getting green tick there. Server will get a red cross because this is not a router. You see we are getting a red cross. When the packet moves from router to router, we'll get a green tick. Here we get a green tick. Here also we'll get a green tick. So yes, we are done with the experiment. Thank you.